Having trouble receiving calls on Spectrum Mobile? It's a common issue, often linked to spam blocking features or call forwarding mishaps. Let's get straight to fixing it. First, Spectrum Mobile uses Verizon's network and has built-in spam filters. These filters, managed through the Spectrum Mobile app, can sometimes block legitimate calls. To quickly address this, open the Spectrum Mobile app and go to Settings, then Calls and Messages, and finally Spam and Block. Here, you can disable the spam filter temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Call forwarding is another culprit. If call forwarding is enabled to the wrong number, or if there's a glitch, you'll miss calls. To check this, use USSD codes, dial 21#, to see if call forwarding is active. If it is, you can disable it by dialing 73. Also, check if you've accidentally blocked the number. Try these steps, then ask a friend to call you and see if the issue is resolved. If these quick solutions don't work, Spectrum's support team can provide more advanced assistance. If the quick fixes didn't work, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. Ensure your phone's software is up to date, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Also, restart your phone, as this can resolve temporary glitches. If problems persist, consider resetting your network settings. Keep in mind that the industry is moving towards AI-driven spam protection. Spectrum Mobile's Smart Call Blocker, which utilizes AI, is designed to reduce spam while minimizing false positives. Stay updated with app updates to take advantage of these improvements. For long-term solutions, proactively monitor your call logs to identify patterns of blocked numbers and manually whitelist trusted contacts. Finally, if nothing works, consider contacting Spectrum Mobile support. They can assist with device-specific issues and potential network outages in your area. By combining these steps with staying informed about future trends like RCS, you can significantly improve your call reception reliability.